Yeah. No birdie. Shaq O'Neal.
Shaq can't shoot.
He's got an assist. Shaquille O'Neal. He's got a goal.
He's getting owned here.
With a 2-point shot.
He is more intense. This is why basketball is not that.
This is fun.
I can block my shots. He has 5 points in this game. He hit the jumbotron.
That'd be amazing if he made that shot. I can.
That sucked.
That guy's a giant.
Who? Shaquille O'Neal?
No, the guy that had the ball.
Everybody else is
short. Oh, shoot. Whoa, White is all stacked with tall people.
Yeah, especially Shaquille O'Neal.
Did you see when I jumped on the rim?
How do you do that?
Who's Miami?
Me. I'm winning too. Get him.
Whoa, I
Well, you were right there and you pass it. You know how to shoot. Oh God, you
hit the
suck.
box. Hey,
You got a penalty for something. And the first quarter, score 3-2, Miami.
Hit the box, buddy.
Walker has 5 points.
Oh!
I don't care, I'm winning 10-4. 2-pointer. Yeah! 2-point shot again. I got enough of those.
Out of bounds. Oh, I hit the jumbotron.
That's the only thing you know how to do.
I like shooting from
I'm
far.
surprised you didn't break their jumbotron. Oh yeah! 4 points. Oh no, 2 points. Yes, 4 points in this game.
Jumping for the story. I like that. It's cool.
You almost scored. All 3 of my
Okay,
guys
I'll
are in
try. We should restart this game and then I'll try.
it. Oh, what are you saying? You're not trying right now?
No, I'm just shooting from far out.
Well. Oh, fine.
Oh, come on. Just waste a minute 14.